Mandy here. Today I'm here to share a card I made using the new Angie girl called Margaret Girl. I pre-coloured her and added some tulle to her dress, and I created a sentiment by using two different sentiments, and I masked off the words that I wanted to use. The Unity word is from the Unity Unis kit and the celebration you get with this kit. To create the background, I used some post-it tape and I masked off a white card base, and I'm taking my worn lipstick Distress Oxide ink and a blending tool, and I'm blending the outer edges of the card and I'm leaving the centre of it white. Then I take some water and splash it, and then I take some of the colour off by patting it with a paper towel. Then I just dry that with my heat tool. I remove the tape and you're left with this really nice background and nice clean borders. Then I just added my sentiment and my girl with some foam tape. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Thanks for watching. Bye!